The world does not give a shit if your life sucks till you're dead because of the problems you had in your youth. The world doesn't care, okay? If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect childhood. I can't do that, but I can tell you what I know after 40 years in this business. Dude, you got to make your own future. Your past does not define your future. Your past sucks. I hear it. All right? I'm sympathetic, but man up. Every morning you get up and make good decisions. You work hard. You sacrifice now so you don't have to sacrifice when you're 50 and 60. Because if you don't start doing things better, you know what you're doing? Your child is going to have the struggles you've had. You want a boy or a girl? Mr. King just walked on. I just called his case.
No, we're talking Lowell.
Yeah, I'm talking this one. I didn't mention the fingerprints. Get him back in there. Tell Graziani fingerprint order.
Don't think I have a long list. Today.
Mr. Graziani, I neglected to tell Mr. Lowell he has to go get his fingerprints taken.
Is there anything else, Judge?
Where's that at?
It's Van Buren.
You know where Van Buren PD is?
Yeah.
Can you get there by 3 o'clock today for prints?
Yeah, I'll go there right now.
All right.
Okay.
I'll go to downstairs first. And then I'll go.
Okay. All right.
Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.
Stay right here.
Counsel, your appearance on bell.
Good morning, John. Thank you, Miller. You know, reading my 229, so President to my right, you take the next one.
All right. So counsel, it says here, Mr. Bell's going to plead to 2 new counts. One is no valid license on person. We'll dismiss the drove while license suspended. Second is attempt 4th degree fleeing and eluding. And we'll dismiss the original fleeing and eluding, correct? So that would be a 1-year misdemeanor, correct? Okay. Mr. Bell, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. King? You understand the possible penalty for these 2 charges? Are you pleading guilty to these 2 charges today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Nobody's threatened you or making you do this? Okay. All right, counsel, I'm showing an incident date of December 9, 24. If you can voir dire to get the facts that support the pleas.
Yes, so, December 9th of 2024, were you in the city of Wayne?
Yes, sir.
And at that time, were you operating the motor vehicle?
Be there.
And while operating that motor vehicle, did you not have a license on your person?
No, I did not have my.
Also on that day, and in that city, were you approached by officers?
Yes.
And did those officers ask you to step out of the vehicle?
Yeah.
And did you drive that vehicle away?
Yes.
Did you know those officers, the police officers at the time they approached you?
Yes.
And you heard their orders to step out of the car as well?
Yeah.
We're satisfied.
I'm satisfied as well. I'll dismiss original count 1, original count 2. I'm inclined to send for a pre-sentence investigation, but I'll let you try to talk me out of it.
Yeah, so they're misdemeanors, he's 19, he doesn't have a record. His mom's here, they have a program ready for him to go right now as far as employment and education. You know, stay in the city, right now, he's on a personal bond. He's been on bond for a little over a month now, no infractions. I think that's pretty much all.
Okay. All right. What'd you say about employment?
His mom, I think his aunt, I think his mom's sister has found.
Can she wait? You all right if I listen to her? Ma'am, first of all, come on up. State your name.
Chelsea Harper.
All right.
My mom works at Coventry House in the non.
Yeah, I know it.
To do a program, he can get his GED, he's gonna take a class.
Good.
It's about a month long.
Good.
And so she was able to get him approved to go do it. He got a stipend.
Okay.
Go in.
Okay.
Like I said, he's back at home, he's gonna do now, and after this is done, we're gonna get his license valid.
Let me stop you. So I've got an address in E-course. That's yours. Okay,
Doesn't.
good. Yeah. Okay. All right. So you're no job right now. Okay,
Not right.
okay. All right, counsel, he sounds like he's a candidate for HIDA.
And if my was people don't object to either.
Thank you. Yeah, I saw that. Tell me before I set the terms of your sentence. There's no magic answer. You don't have to say a thing. I'm just giving you the option. All right. I'm going to go along with the HIDA for 12 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. Get your GED. It's a court order. Within 30 days, I want you to be able to prove to the court that you're working 20 hours a week or more, either a paid job, charity work, or a combination of the two. Understood? Yes, ma'am. Nope. Nope, that's not a job and that's not charity work. Great idea. I encourage him to do that, but it doesn't satisfy the 20 hours. All right, you clear? All right, so that means you have to have documentation. You gotta have paperwork, pay stub that says you worked 20 hours, or letter from the church that says you went in and cleaned for 15 hours, whatever you got to do paperwork. Understood? Well, first of all, you got to get it started within 30 days, right? And then you have to prove to me that on a weekly basis, you're doing that. If you bring it in every couple of weeks, that's fine. But if you don't have that at the end of 12 months, I'm going to look at all the records. I'm going to say he didn't do what I told him to do. You don't get the dismissal. Now, you might not understand how important that dismissal is, but she does. Okay? Any questions, counsel? I'm not assessing any money. So make my tail wag. All right. Good luck with that program. You're welcome. Abu Anwar? Counsel, your appearance.
See you live, move on, appearance, on behalf of Mr. Anwar, who the sign language interpreter is not here again. Your fault, you guys have requested it. We just have to pick another date and I believe they come and I think the case is definitely gonna be resolved, in your court. There is a business in offer right now.
And this is the second time the interpreter didn't show up?
Requested them, whole time, report's been great, you guys are doing your job, that's for sure.
And I received a confirmation for today.
Would you check with Mariah and see if there's another agency?
She'll tell me to reach out to find one, but yeah.
Yeah. So any Wednesday works, but they're gonna be on Zoom until August or October. So if you want, if you want to do live,
With the sign.
I'm thinking it's easier with a interpreter. October 15th?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fair.
What time, Heather?
That's fine. Thank you. You guys are great. Did with the question.
All right. Thank you, counsel.
Guys, take care.
We'll keep our fingers crossed.
I'll get you a notice in just 1 second.
Probably we're way over there. Good times. So I know. My wife understands. Yeah, I do.
Grant?
It's gonna be a dismissal, it's set for 2 o'clock exam, council on,
I want to see a thing, if it's okay.
would you have a problem with this dismissing over Zoom?
No, but I want to talk to Mr. Grant because he owes us money on something else. So
He's gonna-
that's all right. As long as he's on, as long as I can talk to him.
But that, you put out some of those one signs.
You know, you're silent, yeah, I do.
Council, all your files are one of those bottom now.
Nah, you're a funny guy. I have some fun in this business, that's for sure.
We have some.
That's good. That's really good. Second time you part of the beautiful, did a great job.
Yeah, they did.
Something, or it's absolutely, man, yeah. Believe it.
It was a long time coming.
All right, you have a nice night. This brother.
Did you take care of you take care of Graciani's adjournment? Because he said something about he had a couple of adjourned. Did you take care of them?
Yep, we took care of
They've
this.
been old scratch. I'm pretty sure they're,
So,
yeah.
is he done now?
What's that?
Graziani? Is he done?
I think he is.
That should have like 2 more. Or double check. There's 2 people that I have crossed off that don't have attorneys in there. Okay, so.
Maybe they weren't really here.
It takes work and check people in. Maybe 4 months.
He's got somebody out there signing for him.
But I don't think you.
No, he's not certified.
Oh,
We're aluminum roasting pan in and have ramps so she can get in and out. And maybe I'll teach her to swim around me. I told Susie this morning, I said, if we get her to imprint on us, maybe we'll have a duck like the first pair of ducks that's hung around with us. Didn't think it was a chicken.
Aw. So has Susie said that Sparkle still hasn't been seen? Everyone must be in her glory, that whole lady.
I hope she's outside right now with her pretty day off.
Yeah. Yeah, the next like couple days are supposed to be really nice.
Yeah, supposed to be high 75 Saturday, up north.
So it's only a sprain.
Oh,
It's only
lucky,
on today. He can't lift over 5 pounds with the right hand.
lucky.
Oh shit, it's his bowling. He's terrible.
So,
What's he on E? I don't know where the hell he's here though.
he's your people too. You should go,
Be careful.
I saw him speak some Sicilian with me.
I'm from the
He
north.
did pretty good in Spanish earlier.
Working downtown. I did all those Eagles.
No, I'm talking Brad Yanni did good doing this.
Oh, God, yeah, he did.
He did very good.
So I've learned, I believe.
Proper accents and everything.
So we've got Longwood and I know for sure, and I didn't know.
There's one right underneath Longwood.
Oh.
No,
Lowell,
yep, so
no.
he finished Lowell. The Logwood, we still have, maybe Logwood's less, and Tansy,
Tansy.
Paul Tansy at 9:30.
Oh, you.
So this Noah Nielsen kid, who has a 12 o'clock exam. Farage is his attorney, he also had 2 pre-trials
Yeah, both those people.
at 8:45. They were the same day.
She's not gonna handle that, so that's just gonna be a whole mix up.
Oh, I should say misaligned, that's right. Wow.
Here's the thing.
Hello, council.
Well, parking lot out there.
Yeah, it should be. We got 24 exams scheduled.
Okay, so Logwood and Tansy, I'm gonna pull out of here.
Yep, that's fine.
Nielsen is a 12 o'clock noon kid. Awesome.
Who's Emily got, do you know?
One of the exams,
Which, yeah, she's out.
I think one of the 11. I know it was up here. Cause he said that the client was here, but she wasn't yet. Maybe not.
I'm looking for her name, Emily here.
Emily.
Martin.
Yeah, this one's yours. This one's
Oh, okay,
and this one's a noon Nielsen that you had.
thanks.
Cause he has a 9 o'clock as well.
Yeah. That's usually the case when they've got this many exams looking at us. Good morning, what do you got?
We have a plea charge in the Singleton case,
Come on up.
waiting for defense counsel.
All right.
Not, we ready on Singleton?
Gentlemen, your appearance is on Singleton.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Steve Allen on behalf of the people.
And good morning to your honor, court staff, Jonathan Roberts, B 86428 on behalf of Mr. Singleton. Statement in the court.
Thank you. What do we got?
Your Honor, with your approval, defendant will plead guilty to 2 counts. He'll plead guilty to count 3, driving while license suspended. And also, Judge, added count 4, added count 4 is a 1-year misdemeanor known as attempt, fleeing, eluding in the 4th degree, and that would be under the penal code, Judge.
All right. And Mr. Singleton, have you discussed your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they present to you today? You understand the possible penalty for those 2 charges? Attempt and the drove while license suspended? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, counsel, if you would voir dire, give me the facts I need. Incident date, August 23, counsel, if that's what you're looking for.
On that date and time, Mr. Singleton, were you in a motor vehicle? Were you driving that vehicle? At some point during that evening, did you encounter the police? And did the police flick their lights on to indicate that they were initiating stop? And did you disregard those lights and continue driving down the road? At the time you were driving down the road, you did understand that those were police officers. Defense is satisfied.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied, sir? I'll accept the plea to the added charge and dismiss original counts 1 and 2. Well, 3 was the charge, DWLS. So I'm inclined to send it for a pre-sentence investigation unless you guys try to talk me out of it.
This is the first offense that's going to be under HIDA. I think, this court has.
No objection to HIDA? Sorry to cut you off, counsel. All right, go ahead, counsel.
Supervision, structure and downtown.
Mhm.
There shouldn't be any issues. Part of his conditions, I think, are they want to be that to get that license worked on. You can't drive until that license is,
Right, right.
up to speed. So to say, in terms of fines and costs, his family is here, has a lot of support.
Good.
First, last time they did.
No priors? Okay.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yeah, please.
especially recommend reporting probation, no jail, under the useful phase 6.
Thank you. Mr. Singleton, where'd you go to high school? Graduate? You're in your senior year? What's your GPA? Yeah, and in 30 years on the bench, that means it's not nearly as high as it could be. Am I right? What are your plans post high school? Yeah, what do you plan on doing after high school? Okay. What do you have to do to get your driver's license straightened out? Has he ever had a license, counsel?
I think it's been tickets.
Okay,
I don't know what.
okay.
Just the tickets to, or the
Right.
license.
Is that woman with the head bobbing back there, mom? Sister? I'm sorry to hear that. Can I hear from your sister? Because it sounds like she might know more about your business than you do. Is that all right? Ma'am, come on up. State your name for me. Miss Singleton, do you know the status of his license? Come on up here with a microphone so I can hear you better. You're all right, come on up. Because of too many points? Can you run it? Print it out? You got it enough to see me. That's too much. And that's too much. Yeah. His biggest trouble is because he can't tell me he's doing the best he can in school. I didn't make that kid. And the fact that you're a father is not going to make your life easier without an education. Keep talking off, bud, because I'm getting ready to send you. Keep talking. Keep flapping those jaws. Because you're telling me all I need to know about you right now.
Say, Judge, not having his dad in his life is wrong. There is a lot there.
Absolutely. And it all sucks. It all sucks. But every day this young man gets up and he gets to make his own choices today. And he's been making bad choices. Keep your dick in your pants, you wouldn't have a kid at 18 without a high school education. Tell me I'm wrong. I can't let you have it, but I want you to look at it because the way I'm reading that, it says he's eligible for restricted right now. But it's been years since I could read those because they keep changing the format and they keep making them worse. I think he's eligible for driving privileges. Would you agree or disagree?
Suspension effective from July. I don't know how long the suspension would last. I'm fine. I mean, as a condition, I would be fine with either saying he just cannot drive without a valid license, and that would kind of solve the issue.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address the court?
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Rob. If he's convicted of suspended license, as you all know.
It's gonna- Yeah.
Your permission, Judge, I would like to have a plea instead of reckless driving count 2. I think there will be more benign versus driving record.
I mean, that would have points.
It's going to be 6 points versus 2. The DWLS is 2 points.
Judge, if I may, I would.
I'll tell you what, hold on. Let's get outside the box a little bit. If you want to be generous,
Yeah.
let him plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate, which is the same thing you'd give her if she let him drive when he was suspended, right?
Call it that.
No points. All right. Won't stop you from straightening his license out. And I'm going to require that he get his license before he's off this HIDA, or I won't give him HIDA.
Thank you, Judge.
You understand that? So he just agreed to save you 2 points and another suspension period. Yes? The late sentence under Holmes Youthful Trainee Act, I'm not going to assess any money. You will report to my probation department on a regular basis, and that could be by email. They'll work that out with you. I'm assuming you can give them transportation a couple times. All right. So as long as you're on track for the first month or 2, they'll probably let you just do it on email. I'm going to require that you get your driver's license straightened out before the 12 months is up. I'm going to require that you get a high school diploma before the 12 months is up. And I'm also going to order 30 hours of community service charity work. That means you volunteer with some nonprofit agency that's registered with the IRS, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, Boys and Girls Club. I don't care. As long as it's an IRS recognized nonprofit, 30 hours, document those 30 hours. And I want that done between now and December 1, 2025. Do you have any questions about what you have to do to get the benefit of HIDA? All right. Understand, I'm still holding jail time over your head. Make my tail wag, or you probably will go to jail. Do you understand that? All right. Now, I have to say this or I will not sleep tonight. Dude, I am glad I didn't have your problems as a kid. But with respect, with sympathy, I want you to hear what I'm about to tell you. The world does not give a shit if your life sucks till you're dead because of the problems you had in your youth. The world doesn't care. Okay? If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect childhood. I can't do that, but I can tell you what I know after 40 years in this business. Dude, you got to make your own future. Your past does not define your future. Your past sucks. I hear it. All right. I'm sympathetic, but man up. Every morning you get up and make good decisions. You work hard. You sacrifice now so you don't have to sacrifice when you're 50 and 60. Because if you don't start doing things better, you know what you're doing? Your child is going to have the struggles you've had. You want a boy or a girl?
In this powerful courtroom moment, a young defendant appears before the judge for driving with a suspended license. As the hearing continues, the judge learns that the teen is still in high school, already a father, and struggling with life choices. Instead of focusing only on punishment, the judge delivers a tough but honest message about responsibility and the importance of changing his future. The judge gives him a 12-month delayed sentence, requiring him to finish high school, fix his driver's license, and complete 30 hours of community service. But he also warns that if he continues making bad choices, jail time is still on the table. Do you think the judge handled this the right way? Comment your thoughts below and like and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.
While we're waiting for the prosecutor, Mr. Grant, you owe us money on some tickets, a distracted driving and no proof of insurance from 2023. The City of Romulus issued the tickets. Total on those is $654. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan, regular payments?
Yes, sir.
How often, how much, and when can you start?
Weekly.
How much?
I can start weekly, about $50 to $100.
Let's start at 50. You can always pay extra. When can you start that?
I can start next week.
Next Friday or work for you?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the 19th. Mr. Lecky, we got you yet?
Yep.
Thank you. Appearance on the People versus Grant file.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Leckie appearing on behalf of the people, P88400.
Once again, Eric Rosie on behalf of Mr. Grant, P number 60310.
Thank you. What are we doing today, fellas?
Your Honor, I know today is set for exam. We have reached out our office to the complaining witness. She indicated that she is not wanting to proceed today and she is not coming. Therefore, at this time, Your Honor, we are unable to proceed, and I think defense has a motion.
Move to dismiss, Judge.
Dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen.
Take care, Mr. Grant, and take care of those tickets, okay?
Thank you, and I will. Thank you.
Are we ready on Bridgman?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Frosch.
Good afternoon, I'm ready to use the Park Garage appearing on behalf of Mr. Bridgman. Mr. Bridgman, please state your name for the record.
Thank you. And Mr. Bridgman is going to plead to improper transport, 750.227. Is that correct? I think that's a 1-year misdemeanor, correct? You understand that, sir? Possible penalty is up to 1 year. I could put you in jail for a year. I have to tell you what the possible penalty is. I'm not planning on putting you in jail. You understand that? Did you read or did you go over your rights with Ms. Farage?
Yes.
You understand the rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes.
Understanding that, are you pleading guilty to this charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily. All right, counsel, can you get me the facts I need to support the plea? December 20 is the incident date.
Yes. Do you mind if I grab your support?
No, not at all.
Mr. Bridgman, on the day of 12/20/2024, reading into the location of 274273 for the road, Romulus, Michigan. And that is in the city or the county, the state of Michigan. And at that time, you were stopped by, or you were stopped by Romulus Police Department?
Say again? I can't hear you.
I'm stuck on Pennsylvania Road.
I'm asking.
By which department? Thank you.
And at the time, when you were stopped, you informed officers that there was a firearm that was inside the car.
Yes.
And where was the firearm located?
See.
And, at that time, you didn't have a CPF.
I'll accept the plea. Dismiss count 1. All right. Immediate sentence? Okay. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work? Kroger's. How long you been there?
I've been there the last 3 months. Right before that, I was at FedEx. I sued over Kroger.
All right. How long you been driving?
Last 2-3 years.
Okay. No CPL?
He didn't bring to the court a certificate of completion of the CPL class. He has a,
So he's in the process.
he next gets an appointment, so I.
Good. Good. All right. Any prior criminal history? Okay. Why you got such a bad attitude today?
Upset.
Okay.
The whole process of advising it was real weird and.
Okay. Right. Get over being upset because this is a pretty damn good result. This is so much better than a felony, brother. So much better. Felony probably cost you your job. Would it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, 12-month non-reporting probation. That just means stay out of trouble. No new charges. Court costs or fines and costs assessed from the amount of $500. Can you pay that today or do you need options? Go on downstairs and talk about the options. They'll straighten you out. All right, what's next?
For the setting of examination.
Roberts?
Yeah.
Isn't it set for an exam? Is it an exam today?
You're on the-
Ah,
We gave it late.
oh, yeah. Council, I think we already gave you some October 15s, or was it 22nd?
Yeah, you're on.
15th? What time? How about 1? Mr. Roberts, October 15th, 1 PM? Bond continued unless I hear otherwise?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Roberts, just have a seat back in the pews. We'll get you a written notice. You're welcome.
No, that's it. Well,
Mr. Kaplan, anything for me?
Not at this moment.
All right. Keep pushing.
First.
Yeah.
Let's see a lot. I think we made it.
It's been a long time if we had.
That was a Macomb prosecutor, so I don't know each other.
No, I never went to Macomb.
But I know we've met.
Yeah. Well, welcome.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.
I was with Wayne County, you might remember, in the homicide division, way back. I know you know all these.
Yeah.
2011, 12, and 13.
Yeah.
So I came back.
So where they have you? You just like filling in?
Simon,
Okay.
I'm in Detroit some days, and
Okay.
just happy to be back.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
It's good to work when you want to work, right? Yeah. Yeah. Good to see you.
See you.
Mr. Graziani, what do you have?
Getting an adjournment from, your staff, sir.
What's the file?
You can track that, this is the plea. No, there's an adjournment, that was the plea off of them, because we were the trustee words.
Give me a defendant's name so I can pull the file.
What's that?
Defendant's name.
That Logwood,
Logwood.
he agreed, but let me go with, yeah, I need something. Yeah.
that's all you guys can do.
I'll bring
You're ready to go.
Hey.
Okay. Stops recording. That's all right. Just nice talking.
Miss Elijah, you got something? Give me a name.
Versus Wiley.
All right, looking for the file. Got it.
Wiley, with your permission, the people are unable to proceed on count 1 with missing our complainant.
Are you gonna-
Court, this count 1 without prejudice, and keep count 2 here at the district court, because we do have a witness who's cooperating.
Okay. All right. And Miss Elijah, I'm gonna guess you're not on, you can sit down, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna guess you're not on count 2.
Well, there's a felony in the case.
All right. I'll set it for pretrial. You can deal with our MIDC. Okay, you understand that?
So you go ahead and ask, the next court date, and is it Zoom or in person?
Yes. Heather will tell you.
When, how many weeks out?
I think, well, he's gonna need is the attorney referral gonna happen today, or is it gonna happen at the next court hearing?
At the next court date, he'll speak to somebody.
I suggest sooner rather than later.
Then we have September 24th, 2 weeks, 9:45, and that would be by Zoom.
Okay, yeah, September 24th at 9:45.
Is that Martin?
That is Patton.
All right.
No, we won't, because
Just leave bond as is.
This is the case we argued on last week with the 99-year-old mother. Michael is the
Yeah,
one who they live.
I got you. You had me at hello. I remember. Yeah. Yep.
Michael, the count two is Randy, who's here.
Right. Randy, where are you? Randy. Would you ask Randy Wiley to come in here?
he does.
but not the house. I mean, not the address. Yeah, okay. And I already removed the not to return to. I did that last week. So unless he gives me something, I'm just gonna continue bond.
He should have no contact order with brother Mike, because brother Mike is the agent.
True, that case is dismissed. You got that?
I will whenever, yeah.
Yeah.
Would like to sit down from the.
Yeah.
Yeah, part of it.
Your name, sir?
Wiley?
Okay, so currently there's a no contact bond. We're gonna continue that.
Yes.
Anything else?
I don't know. To appear and testify. I don't know what the process is.
Okay, so we had two counts, one with your brother Michael, one with you as complainants.
Yeah.
The count one case has been dismissed today. We're scheduling the count two, your misdemeanor case. That's going to be scheduled on September 24 because this attorney can't represent him when that's a standalone case. So we've got to get him a new attorney for the misdemeanor. Just the way the system is.
May I ask, how did it go from felony to misdemeanor?
The prosecutor just said they were unable to proceed with the felony and dismissed it.
Prosecutor said this.
Yes.
Can I talk to the prosecutor and what?
Well, that's up to the prosecutor. You can't talk to him right now though, because I'm using him on other files, but Right. I can't tell you because it wasn't my decision, but I'm sure he'd be willing to talk to you. He just wait for him until he's done in the courtroom. All right. That's Mr. Kaplan right there with the vest. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That's all. Thank you. All right. So pre-trials 9/24/25 at 9:45 in the morning with Judge Patton by Zoom. Bond is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You had another file. What's that?
Evening custody.
All right. Joe, do you know that? We're gonna give you notice, Mr. Wiley. Okay, you're all right. I'm sorry, Mr. Elijah. Was that Martin? The next one? What are we doing?
The officer is, personal knowledge is not here.
All right. Both counts?
Your Honor, if I may, we do have a witness, but not the main one. I can't prevail without us.
Yeah. You Nally Prosson?
We'll reauthorize charge to the slate.
Okay. All right. So I'm taking that as a motion from the fence to dismiss. All right, so I'll just leave it to you to explain that to Mr. Wiley when he gets in, and then we'll get him on his way back to get processed out, hopefully.
Oh, Mr. Martin?
Mr. Martin,
We can bring it on.
okay. I probably can't call him off now. You're gonna take him right back in, Joe. He's going right back in. We're gonna dismiss it. She's just explaining what happened.
And I'm just looking for it clear, smart and sober, over 1 year.
Good for you. Good for you. Now you know how it works. Yep, good for you. Keep it up. Keep it up. What do you got?
We're ready, Nielsen, like.
Nielsen? Are we holding it? All right. I think we got 3 different files, don't we? 2 different, yeah, 3 different files.
He doesn't have anything to do with the 2 graphic offenses. They're misdemeanors, so the NDS.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What the hell? We got one of these. This got a C next to this. This civil infraction. We'll put them in file.
No, it just means that they didn't pay attention to what file they.
They also stop in for distance.
Yeah, it says SI, it should be an orange file.
Yeah, this. And you all in my personal phone.
Ms. Farage, we ready on Nielsen?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I hope that young man hurt my heart, counsel. He is so lucky, man. Right? If you don't have family, what do you got? That's the problem with being young, though. We don't usually notice our blessings when we have them. I'll wait for him.
Yes, we're ready, plan.
All right, appearances on the People versus Nielsen.
James Blanky appearing on behalf of the people, 88-400.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Currently, Samar from on behalf of Mr. Nielsen. Can you please introduce him for the record?
Have a seat, Mr. Nielsen. All right, we ready?
The people are ready back, but I do want to put on the record. So I know last week you're here for discovery. It occurred to me that a personal issue came up with the detective. We have sent this up. So here's what happened. I was at Romulus or Van here yesterday to personally get discovery. Well, I was there for other things, but
Right.
And I sent it over by 1 p.m. I believe that's when I sent
It was like
2 o'clock.
Yesterday afternoon.
And it occurred to me, I've been asking for it the day we left, Secretary.
Right.
I also emailed on Friday about it. But a personal issue came with Mr. Harrison. I don't know if the court is aware, but
I'm not. No.
But so it didn't get to council till here. That's just what I.
Then you can refile
Your Honor, we're going to move to dismiss.
without prejudice, which means they can refile if they want to. Understood? All right, you still got some misdemeanor stuff we got to deal with. We've got failed to stop property damage accident, and then we've got a civil infraction, failed to stop assured clear distance ahead. Were those scheduled today? Or they're just tagging along? I'll give you the choice. You can wait until the attorney that's here today, that guy right there that just walked in, has time to talk to you, or I'll let you come back because I know you've been here most of the day. No, I'm giving you the option. If you want me to, I'll just give you another date on these. Okay. I'll even let you pick a Wednesday. Pick a Wednesday. You want to come back next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? I don't care.
2 weeks.
24th?
In 2 weeks, because I've been here every week.
No. I'm letting you pick.
In this courtroom moment, a defendant appears in court expecting a hearing, but things quickly change when the prosecutor reveals that the main witness is not willing to proceed with the case. Without the witness present, the prosecution cannot move forward with the charges. Because of this, the defense immediately requests the case be dismissed. The judge agrees and dismisses the case without prejudice, meaning it could potentially be filed again later. The judge also reminds the defendant to take care of his outstanding traffic tickets and payment plan. Do you think the case should be dismissed when the witness doesn't show up? Comment your opinion below and like and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.